Hey everyone, in today's video we are doing a creative portrait photo shoot with our model Serena, and Dan is behind the camera filming today's behind the scenes. I'm going to be using the Sony A7R Mark IV with the G Master 85mm f1.4 lens, and we are going to be taking some photos in very late golden hour, kind of going into blue hour a little bit. So I want these photos to be quite dreamy and quite soft, and I think we're going to be able to achieve that with this lens and body combination. Oh, I like that, holding the leaves. Do you want to try one if you kind of like sway your arms? Yeah, I like that. And then I'll get like a mid-length shot, which is like cropped just underneath your jumper. Oh, that's pretty. I really liked when you had, your hands were kind of like this almost, like you were stretching from your neck. Yeah. Beautiful. And then I want to shoot from like a low angle if you kind of wanted to lean down towards me again. Maybe you could even swing your arms out in front of you. I love that, holding that leaf is perfect. Oh, that's cool. If you wanted to, maybe you could put it diagonally across your cheek. Yeah. Oh my gosh, I love these photos. And then we'll do some without the leaf as well. And then can we do some with the slight angle? Can we do one like laying down on your stomach? Yeah. So I think if you're facing towards me and your feet out. Beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna lay down and try and get like a little bit higher. Oh, it is cold.
if you kind of lay down like this, just take a nap while you're at it. And can you flick your hair out of the way of it? For the last one, I want to do like a movement kind of shot.
Yeah.
I think if you start down here, we'll shoot with like that in the background rather than, because I don't want the building. You can make it kind of like whimsical, sway your arms, look around, look up even. Actually, I love the over the shoulder looks that way. It's so pretty. Let me get the, huh? I swear, this like, everything looks so magical today. Yeah, that's beautiful. Those look so good.
So that is all I have for you guys for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed watching that and liked seeing all the raw unedited photos and then my final photos as well. I would love to know what you guys think of this lens and body combination and which ones were your favorite photos down in the comments below. I want to say a big thank you to Sony Australia for sending me the A7R Mark IV so I can make some of these videos for you guys. And if you enjoyed this video, I have plenty of other portrait photo shoot behind the scenes on Sony, so check out my channel and you can watch some of those other videos. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I make new videos every single week, so I'll see you all next time. Bye.